Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Toyota Corolla key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in so no tiny components get lost. This quick and easy task can be done in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started right away with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key retracts. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, pay attention to its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reattached. Now, it's time to test your work. Go to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors with the key fob to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If it works, you've successfully changed your battery. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book on money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.